Welcome for our late night session. Look at this. I think we got a bull pennant breakout coming right here. Look at this volume bar, guys. That's insane. This is a high risk. The reason why I'm saying this is because we may get a fail swing failure, but it's alright. I think we could still get some. We have this floor. As long as we close over the 60 line, we're Gucci. But look at that volume bar. When you back it way out, we do have bearish divergence forming across those tops. Let's see here. Hidden bullish right here, hidden bullish here. So this will be a quick ass scalp if you're eating this shit. It'd be a day trade, quick scalp. You're gonna get it in and out, no more than a day hold, because then this is gonna be as soon as we're gonna break out of this. But as soon as we break out of this, and we're not gonna break these highs whatsoever. So let's even see if this is worth it. I don't think so. Let's move on. Let's find something else. Let's look at what else is trending up here. And trending is 60 RSI with some gains. Let's get something that's little gains. Trending RSI. We want positive growth though. We want positive. 0, 60. Like just passing. Just passing. Okay. I would. Now the question is, do we want on a daily time frame? The daily time frame? Or how about this? I have an idea. You know what might be better than the RSI? What is this, like 35? Let's get rid of... So let's do this. Okay. Nope, I don't like that. I don't like how that 4-hour looks. Do we have like an inverse head and shoulders right here, guys? If we could retest this, it's almost like there, dip, there. If we could close, if we're closing above this, for sure. Let's look for another one. That looks bearish. Ooh, what was that? We're just trying to catch a trend. That's all we're trying to do today, guys. Trying to catch a trend. So let's go to a 4-hour. How about that? 4-hour marks. Okay. We want something trending positive with RSI right around 60 to 65 with your stochastic just cracking 35. That's our conditions that I want. Positive, just over 60, just cracking 35. Because this will be too late. Too late in the drop and you're already, yeah. So I guess the easiest part will probably be 35, 62, 6%. Damn, what's up with all these like, super extended freaking stocks, man? It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting to look at. Because 100 means you're freaking peaking, right? 4-hour. Hold on, let me make sure I'm stochastic. See my chart? That's freaking weird. That's definitely not at 100. So this is definitely not the right thing for me. I'm using. It's not supposed to be the fast. Hold on. We'll look at our stocks right now. Our stuff right now. Actually, let's just do that. Let's get it over with. How about that? Voila. Okay. So Ethereum. I'm not saying this is what I'm expecting. Might not even get a pop, but that's what I'm expecting due to RSI divergences. A clear 1, 2, 3, 4, and coming out for the 5 for the bullish divergence. Usually it takes 3 points of bullish divergence to carry out. So I would expect this to make one more touch on this line. So possibly just barely nicking down below this low before we actually get an ABC or some sort of triangle corrective pattern for 4. And then with a final drop into this 228 to 227 zone. I think it's supposed to be 226. 226 and 30. And I want to be buying. It's going to be a risky scalp, long. The reason why it's a risky long is because we technically do it. We ignoring RSI, completely ignoring RSI and divergences. So usually you want a divergence between 3 and 5 to end you off, and we didn't get that between this move and this move. Technically, this could be a valid Elliott wave count because I counted this move right here ending right here. So it would have been 3, 4, and then 5. But that look, the length, like that's a. Oh yeah, I forgot. Bitfinex fucked some people on this one, huh? The actual high is right here. Holy shit. We can go low. Fuck you, Bitfinex. I forgot about this chart. It's the fuck you chart. So that's not right. It's not that high. It's right there. So that doesn't have the right look, you know, to me, in my opinion. Steep and long, short and quick. I don't know, possibly. Or sharp and quick and long and sideways. And the reason why I say the other account could be valid is because when you draw your Elliott wave channels, this 3 and 4 back tests the waves 1 and 2 channel perfectly. And you get a perfect 1.618 extension here. And then you get a perfect 2. Forgot what it was. Make sure we're right here. Just under 1.618 extension, all the way up to almost a 2.618 extension. So that could be a valid count, especially since wave 3 and 4 does not retrace into wave 1 territory. This is wave 1 territory. We're ignoring this wick because the wick only appears on Bitfinex. So this could be valid, but it does have the right look as it ends very vertically. But we would usually want to expect some sort of bearish divergence forming on something. Stochast on the, and we did not get that. Let's go to the nowhere. We just did not get it. On other indicators, did we possibly get it? Not really. The only thing that was bearish was the hidden bear. Right here. Boom to boom. And that's valid. That's the only thing that is bearish that I've been seeing lately. The histogram bear. And obviously our Xing and all that stuff. If we're able to close out of this channel right here, that's will be bearish for sure. We must sustain this channel. If you want to learn how to draw a channel, go to your 4-hour or 2-hour chart. And then let's get rid of these fibs real quick. Get rid of those. And you just hit the bottom of the what you think is wave 1 or wave A, B, whatever. The top of what you think wave A1 or whatever is. This is where I have my first wave ending. You might have yours ending right here. That's fine. And then you put it on the bottom of wave 2. And that gives you your initial Elliott wave channel. And the thought process behind this is if it's able to break out and close on top, it's going to be impulsive. So if it's able to, like, say this was 1, and then this was able to go like that and close on top, then that's bullish. And that's an impulsive wave. And so far, obviously, did not get that. We got dwindling volume across those. That's also the only other thing that's bearish. That volume just got worse and worse every single time. On this 2-hour, on the Bitfinex chart. I forgot what chart I was looking at. I did not look like that whatsoever. Let's see here. Hold on. I don't like that. That's Bitfinex, so let's try cracking real quick. I mean, yeah, I guess so. Barely, but not as much. Not as exaggerated as that's strange. It's like they're flat tops instead of very strange. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set an alarm on this trend line right here. Exiting channel. Once bar per close. And we've never done it on the 55-minute time frame, so I'm gonna use it on the 55-minute time frame. So yeah. Just looking at this, examining it real quick, making sure I got everything I wanted on this. I'm looking at other signs to be bearish, like bearish divergence from. I wish we got it from here to here. So that makes me feel like this was an A, B, C, and this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would make this an A, B, C of some sort, which was the alternate count that Sean had. A, B, C. And this could have been Because you expect some sort of bearish divergence across an ending move or a correcting move. And you got it between these tops, not there, where is it? Right here. Double top on momentum index, lower highs on histogram. So that tells you that this was a corrective move, A, B, C, and not a bullish breakout 1, 2, 3. If this was a 1, 2, 3, the bigger momentum would be in wave 3. Always. Always, always, always. Wave 3, unless wave 5 is the extended leg, or wave 1 is the extended leg. So I guess it's not always like that. But wave 3 should never have the least. And it usually is the largest. So that's why I go by this rule. Same thing with the dip in the RSI and the spike in RSI. Usually wave 3 is this dip and the spike being the strongest relative in strength. So for our swing traders, your call is all on this trend line being broken. Scalpers, we are going to risk this trend line and be buying this trend line. So we'll have a really strict stop loss. Invalidation line is not as high as I thought it was. It's actually right here at 216. But I will still place my stop where I said. The reason being, I don't believe a wave 3 should retrace past a 0.5, especially when wave 2 retraced 0.88 or 0.76. Rule of alteration states they should flip-flop about 66% of the time. So, I mean, odds are in our favor. We got the trend line. We have wave 3 of our wave 3 and 4 of 1 lesser degree algo. We have the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. Let's look at the 6 hour. 55 EMA resting below us on the 6 hour, 2 hour. Nothing on a 2 hour. Everything's above us. 55-minute right on our trend line. This trend line is the bottom wicks of this bottom right here. And this 55 200 EMA is perfectly running on it. Trying to look for some bullish. You got some bullish divergence on the 55-minute right here. So this does conclude this is probably going to be an ABC. And we could probably expect that. A, B being real flat, C, and then right here we're going to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that'll give us our bullish divergence in wave C. And this should give us hidden bull in some higher time frame that does not give us bearish across these tops. And if we go here to here, that's bullish divergence, hidden. There to there, from here to there. That's bullish, hidden bullish. So I'm definitely going to be taking this long. I'm going to risk our biscuits one more time for a long. I don't think the bulls go away this yet, and I think some bears are going to get liquidated one more time. So let's look at Bitcoin. We're eerily close to our double bottom touchdown. So nothing has changed for Bitcoin. EMA is still exactly where we want them. Our 200 EMA on our 2 hour, and our 2 hours have been powerful. Really been carrying us lately. Gave us this bearish divergence right there across the top. Gave us bearish divergence right here across the top. We fail swung here again. So let's see if we could hold this, double bottom here, and just die. Who knows? We might even squeeze up here and get some really hopeful bulls. Oh, we breached the trend line and bull trap them because we hit this historical horizontal where longs go to die area. So I don't expect us to break out. But we gotta expect the worst in terms of we're being bearish and looking for a short that we have to be fluid like water and expect every single scenario. All right. Running through. Let's look at some. Let's look at some alts. Look at some alts that may pop on a drop. Let's get out of stocks real quick. Crypto screener. Top losers. Okay, let's do. Okay. Okay. This thing is getting dumped. Okay, this is we're on a 1 day. Dancing pumped recently. Jesus Christ. Let's get out the daily. Let's go to 4 hour. Loon ETH. Let's go Loon Bitcoin. Mad shooting star right here. Jesus. This looks disgusting. A major bullish divergence, so this could have been just ABC, and now we're continuing down. We didn't have a lot of volume on that, so I don't like that at all. Let's go Bird. Bird looks like it's. Let's see what happens when Bird crosses a 50 point on stochastic index. Cracked it and it exploded. Cracked it, exploded. Didn't really crack it. We're not cracking it, so again, this is not a good buy either. We're getting volume picking up here, so that's good. We got extreme bullish divergence. GNO, let's go GNO Bitcoin. GNO Bitcoin. GNO Bitcoin. Hey, yo, Warrior. I think we found another something right here, buddy. I don't know what the market cap. Oh, that's absolutely terrible. 45 volume? Are you fucking serious? What in the world? 45 volume? Are you serious? Is that even legal? No way. Are you serious? Alright, not that one. We don't do GNO's on USD. What's GNO? Why is it a USD value? We could trade it in USD value? We got extreme bullish divergence from here to here to here. So this is probably like one. It's probably all leading diagonal. 1 being the longest, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. 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 Falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. And this is the same exact thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All I have to do is clear the swing low. Oh, we might have already. On that drop right there, I think we did. I think this completed an entire market structure. It cleared the swing low. But I don't. That's so weird. It has so little volume. That's so strange. I've never heard of that in my life. Let's go at Nano. What's Nano looking at? Complete death. Absolutely atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. You probably have a good bounce here, but do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? I guarantee you pattern traders do. A clear break of this freaking neckline I was forming right here. Bearish as shit. Don't buy Nano. It's a good dash. Same with Dash. Dash looks terrible too. Straight up bear flag. Huge bear flag. None of these are ready for a bounce. That's what's unfortunate. Okay, let's flip this Let's flip the strategy. What the hell? Hold on. We're trying to just go through. I'm thinking about leaving my live stream on anytime I'm trading and going through any stock trading, anything, so you guys can see how I do everything, how I go through my day-to-day business, and so you can probably build a plan kind of similar to mine if you like what I do and how I do it. So which one's the slow? Okay. The K's the slow and the D's the fast. 40 to 60 is the one to use. I like 35. This is in the 4 hour. That's definitely not above 35. It makes no sense. It makes absolutely no sense. That one's right. That was way below 35 though. It's like 17. See, that's not. Oh yeah, it's barely at 36. What? That's definitely 48. That makes no sense. I don't know if this is correct or not. I could have sworn that this is stochastic. Ah. RSI is probably way different than stochastic itself. That is definitely at 30. Okay, that makes sense now. You know, let's go for the daily. The ones on the daily really work well. I just think I'm doing it wrong. It's like not matching up the way I want it to for some reason. I want to catch the breaks on the stochastic on the daily when it breaks this threshold. I feel like that will give us really easy scalps and gains and whatnot. But it's just finding out how we could get that to be our condition here. I'm going to have to fiddle around with that some more. I know how to do the RSI one, the regular RSI, above 30, below. Above 63 is bullish. 62 point whatever. Excellence failing to hold above the it's definitely made a 5-wave impulse, that's for a fact. This just put out some gains today. Vibe. Super bearish. Double top like I thought it would. Nav, super bearish too. Look at that wick. I don't know what XRP looks like. Absolutely atrocious. Ooh, that hurts. So those are the only ones above 62 on a daily. I got an idea. Not 62. Because 62 is like right after the pop. Let's go 50, 57. So you missed the pop. It's right before the pop. I don't think this one gets it. Good volume here, though. We can. Once we crack this halfway point on the index, it works almost all the time. Cracks it, holds it, you just ride it, holds it, ride it, until we make high, lower lows or some sort of bearish divergence. Jeez, that sucks. What kind of drop is that? A couple hundred. Damn, that'll suck ass. Just missed that. Literally so close to breaking out. I think this is gonna be really break. I think it's gonna break out pretty fucking hard and soon. I think just put it in a 1-2, 1-2. So this is all of wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. There's a lot of volume here, so it's hard to ignore that. But then again, this hasn't been traded very long. So then again, this could just be a B, C. That shooting star's hideous. And you do retrace a little bit here, but it's a giant wick, so I don't know. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're gonna really start our wave 3, 3 of 3, and that's when we should get our extreme break. You see, we have some pretty good volume here, but our finish is very bearish in general. But on the daily, it looks promising. Not the daily. Was it daily? I thought the daily was barely crossing over down here. Never mind, it looks pretty bearish. That's terrible. Dent. This chord, that's a beautiful. That's just a beautiful cup. That's beautiful price action right there. Jesus. Right in the golden pocket. Almost. If Dent could close over 1,212 sats, Is a breakout confirmed? Above. I think we already started our wave. This is our first wave one of one here. Let's see here. Look at that. I'm actually saying buying volume. I think we're in a pennant right here on Dent. We did not retrace into wave one territory yet. Everything's lining up good. 1, 2. Safe thing will be enter on a break of 1,058 sats. Or you'll risk your biscuits, buy in now and put your stop loss at the pennant low or invalidation point in wave one. But that's decent volume for a coin that doesn't really get much volume in general. Let's see what it made on the extension. That's one disgusting wick. I'd be so sad if I was on the other side of that wick. I hate when I can't freaking get the... And I don't know why my magnet doesn't work as well as it used to. I used to just stick right on there, now it doesn't like really stick. See, like, what the hell? It only sticks to these, but not to the wicks. So, see about any bullish divergence. And we do here. Triple bottom on RSI. Very bullish. And we fail positive. We just swung positive the algo here. We swung positive. Let me show you here. It's right here. See this clear floor? I think we're gonna fail positive. I mean, swing positive at it. Positive it, whatever you want to call it. So we'll see. If we do, it's breakout confirmed. And these, notice like somewhat like an inverse head and shoulders here. Pretty fucked up one, but. So I like Dent too in the short term. Not the short term, the medium to longish term. So be looking at Dent too. I'm gonna put some okay. All right. Let's take another look at Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that good stuff before we get out of here. Nothing has really changed except we're getting that push like I thought we would. We're getting that push. So we'll see how this goes. I'm still gonna look to short it. I guess it was, what chart was it that was the Ethereum chart with the box. Not bad, Phoenix. Now, if this short doesn't come to you, don't chase it. We only want the short if it comes to this area. If it doesn't, then there's no point in doing it because the risk reward ratio is fucking so small. If you chase this short down here, we want to buy down here. It's no point. This is only a 1-to-1 extension from the previous swing high. Should here. It's a nice scalp right there. 228 lows. Not the one we want though. Alright. Shoot me some questions or anything you need. Any questions or anything like that. See here. Whoa. Look at this accumulation on synth. Whoa. Yo, this is A. We're gonna buy this breakout on this inverse head and shoulders. This is gonna play out for us on SYN. All right, you guys. Look at this accumulation that's performed here. It's never seen volume like that ever. That's right here. But look at this buy volume. It's the highest buy volume it's ever had. Breakout, breakout, breakout. I hate how there's so little price action to go off of though. Oh yeah, bullish divergence on price action. The only thing it's not bullish is holy crap. Talk about getting destroyed in trading. Look at this shit. Is that natural? Holy crap. What the hell? It's so strange. But yeah, that's a lot of volume right here. Bullish divergence that formed from there to there, here to here. I would expect at least a test of this area. So we got a major wick on top. Chevy's buy signal's way down here. See what the 12 hours giving us a buy signal at. Same thing. But I think we want to place our bids about 240, about 235, and $220. Yep. And place our stop loss to swing low. I like this one. Look at the stochastic index. I meant the momentum index. Look at it. Look how bottom out it is. We got that cross here going up and down. It's bound to curl up and start taking off. I'm going to be a buyer of Synthetic Biologist ink between $2 and 38 cents. Possibly all the way up to $2. I'm going to dollar cost per average on this one. We're going to see how this one plays out. All the way from my smallest bid at 10% at 230, at 240. My middle bids at 235. Second middle bid at 225. My lowest bid and my biggest bid at 215. I'm just doing that based on levels I'm looking at on Chevy and also the MAs we have here. I wish we get cleaner price action so we could see what the hell is going on. Like, we're definitely getting ABC of some sort. Not ABC, impulsive break. These are definitely the zones I want to be buying in. Maybe not this one. It's a little too bullish. So I'll say my top one will be 235 will be our top. And then I'll spread them out all the way down to 215. And then if my dollar cost average is good enough, our minimum target would be this 200 MA. And let's just say I didn't average my cost very well. Minimum gain will be 150%. So I think that's something we want to buy, especially if we could look at some fundamentals, see if any good news coming out about it. Why is there this volume coming here? Like, what is this? A split. It's not a split. You know what a split is? Show splits without a split. Earnings. So yeah, this is gonna be I think a high risk, high reward. So what else is there that looks pretty interesting? PLX, ASTC. Damn. This looks bearish. Some pretty good price action right there, but long terms of schemes, that's some crazy good volume right there. This is a low cap, that's for sure. Very low cap. So it doesn't take a lot of volume to move these motherfuckers. So this is wave one. I think this is an ABC, first of all. Look at that volume, that's the highest volume ever. What's this mean? Yeah, obviously it's B. So I think this is also a pretty decent buy. Just because of the volume. Sheer volume. ASCT is another good buy, I think. Just because sheer volume. I wish we could retest 60, but it might run away from us before we even do that. Alright, you guys. Let's take one more last look at Bitcoin and Ethereum and see what's going on here before I head out. I was looking at something else. I was trying to at least. Looking good on that. Or we want to short. Forget his freaking dollar. Come on, buddy. Just enter our short area, and it's all we want. Look, we're supposed to fail swing this right here. So I might ladder my shorts in right now. I'm gonna start with an anticipation of it fail swinging this 50 RSI or 30 RSI, 40 RSI. Let's look at the macro count. A 5-minute count. Can we get like a ABC going on? And we do. Clear A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna get more up right now, a little bit more up, followed by a crash down, in my opinion. So let's get a extension real quick. So yeah, this lands right in our pocket of where ABCs like to go die, which is between the 1.236 and the 1.332. They also like to die at the 1-to-1. And this looks like we already have a 1, 2, 3. We're about to come down for 4 and 5. So I'm gonna open up the stupid Euro one. Yeah, still want to. So this is where I'm gonna want to place my shorts at. Good volume though, 211. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm just putting this order in. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at the volume of Bitcoin real quick. Nothing exciting on that candle right there. Nothing to scare me out of my shorts yet. Looking at Ethereum, we have to be aware of a possible ABC that formed. This could have been ABC. That's what Bitcoin looks like, at ABC. But I can't find a clear 5-wave. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm sticking with this bear call. I'm gonna put my stop loss real tight at 202 for my Euro chart, which is roughly, oh shit. $238 on your side, USD side. And let's look at if you could have used Chevy on this play. Alright, so say you got higher highs on price, but you got double top on RSI, so you entered a short here, and you got the short sale on the Chevy too, and you're riding it, and then you see this buy signal, but you don't see any bullish divergence, so you hold your position, and you wait and you wait and wait, and then you finally get this, and you get a buy signal, and this time you got bullish divergence, and you're like, okay, I got two signals now. And then you look down at your momentum index, and you have the X going on. So you're like, oh, okay, I got 3 for 3 now. 3 for 3. Bullish divergence on RSI, the X going on, or aka bullish divergence on stochastic index or momentum index. So all you do is you get this buy signal, you just place your bid on this line, and you can make Chevy's line display. Look. For some reason it show. That's weird. It shows up. Oh, is that why? It's like what? I don't understand. I don't know why Ethereum always glitches on me. Like, I mean, my charts always glitch on me like this. It's annoying. Absolutely annoying. So you got 3 points of. It's on a 10-minute chart. See if we get a freaking value. That's so strange. It's not giving me my. But when I do it over here, it does. Isn't that stupid? It has my MAs right here. Wait, no, it doesn't. That's so weird. It doesn't give that to me. I can't save it. I literally can't save it. See that? Oh, maybe I can. So let's just save real quick. And see if they'll freaking pop up on a reload. I want to know my values on my price lines. On my... That's so stupid. If anyone can show me and tell me what I'm doing wrong, please. I know you could show your values on these on the side right here. That's how you do it. That's so stupid. Okay, so now let's do it for this side. So let me show you. Continue our tutorial real quick. So if you want to show Chevy's price line, then I guess you can right here. You go labels, indicator last value label, and Chevy will be, mine's my Cayenne. So when it flips over, it'll tell you, like right now it's telling you, hey, your Chevy line supports at 232. But right now it flipped long, and you would have wanted to enter short, I meant long, so you would have placed your bids at, it would have told you 231, and you would have placed your bids around there. You would have got swept up, and then right now you'd be for a little gain, and I would exit right now just because you had 2 shooting stars in a row. I would exit on that long, and that's why you use this. It's so simple, so simple. And if you get a short right now, say if you get a short, you do the same thing. You do the same thing. You get a short call. You get one short. You place your bid on the line. It gets sucked up. And this one you didn't really gain that much because you would have got sucked up here, and then you would have exited right there because it broke back out and then it tested right there. So you only had like a half percent win. Or if you would have just known, hey, I got a lot of wicks on the downside, it's probably going to reverse, then you could have guessed that also. But on this one, sell signal, see you've got a sell, a red sell, and then on the second one, place our bids right here on the Chevy line, and then you enter on it, and then it goes with it. All right, you guys. So I put some shorts, like I said, small one. I'm going to close out in this area. It's only a little gain, but I'm a scalper. I'll take 2% on a five times leverage any day. All right, you guys. Hit me with questions, more concerns, anything you want. I'm here for you. Y'all have a great night. Cheers.